Hello everyone, and welcome to this video from the September the 13th protest in London. I'm just going to add some commentary for the start of the video, just to add some context, and I'll leave the rest of it. I've managed to compress about 3 to 4 hours of footage down to just under 30 minutes, so it's a bit more enjoyable. I've also included a few of the pictures I took during the protest, and later on during the arrests and the arguments that broke out shortly after the riot. I took about 3 cameras with me, but only ended up using my Leica M4 and 5 throughout, but had some issues just after we had reached Trafalgar Square as my lens had fogged up and I didn't realise the whole time, so about 7 of the rolls were completely ruined. Luckily I had about 2 rolls that ended up perfectly fine, so the shots will mostly be from just before and after the Battle of Whitehall and Trafalgar. So enjoy the rest of the video.
This is a good long exposure, this. Excellent. No, you're alright, mate, you're alright. Signal! I ain't got any signal. I was thinking of what phone you got. So, we've found Antifa, currently marching on Trafalgar Square. Being told to move.
Can we move, please? Sorry about that. You have to move. You're going down that way. You have to move. Go to the suicide.
Do you want me to hold something?
That's alright, thank you.
We are women, we can fight.
We don't need no fascist rights.
We are women, we can fight.
We don't need no fascist rights.
I just find you smile. Watch out, I found a bag of it. flag. Old guy with a flag around his neck. What's going on here? Fucking flag shagging a prick.
Over there and the police ran in. Yeah. This wasn't this guy. Someone else pummeled a police officer out the face.
Injured officer, hit with a bottle, going to hospital. Alright. I won't picture him then, I won't picture him.
We've had to use force to extract that officer who's against the fucking law! I don't think him then! Yeah, what can they keep there? Come on in, you fucking mega cow! Come on! Pedo! 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 Pedo!
Jesus Christ. Whoa.
Are you with me, son? Let these scum off our streets! Let these scum off our streets! Off our streets! Let these scum off our streets! They not of you, don't have to do your
Just got hit by a ball.
From this side. Don't get on the top spots.
I got you, mate. Holy fucking shit. Watch it, mate.
I'm done. Watch
Watch the bottles, watch the bottles. I'd move if I were you, to be honest, mate. Bottles are going straight for us. Whoa, 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 watch the bottom. Sorry, mate.
Space, please. Come on! Come on, boys! Come
It was a whiskey bottle.
on the helmet, yeah. Oh mate, that's it lads. Work it, work it, work it, work it. Space, please, make space! Make space, make space, please, make space. Give us space. Space, please, guys. Space, mate. very, very stupid. Hit backwards a dead spook. Tommy Robbins! Hey! Tommy! Tommy!
Watch it. Not been arrested, he's been hit. He's been hit by someone. Jesus Christ. Oh, watch it.
Move back from the horses, they will kick you, they will hurt you, they won't care for holding the camera.
Or a police officer. Or a police officer. I'm putting my fucking head into it, mate. And now this is 6 hours. Rust. Fuck. Jesus Christ. What the fuck are you doing bringing a horse next to this dude?
Come on, Lovey, you're coming towards us now. Yeah, I'm all good. Well, they arrested I'm not pardon. I'm not arrested. I don't know, mate. These pants are no one to see that. I'm not resisting, mate. Look. I'm not stupid. It's alright, mate. I'm not protesting. I'm not protesting. Take 2 steps, you're going to roll him over to his feet, but do it to him. Harry Potter! What you said, bro? Hey, man. Yeah, I'm good, man. I can see it. Right, is that the... Yeah, that's fucking right. That was so funny. He's Antifa. Yeah, I'm Antifa. We're just sick of the cunts invading our country, to be honest. Sick of being invaded. Invaded? Yeah. A slow invasion erodes your Britishness and our fucking way of life.
And our demographic.
If you don't like it, you can fuck off. I couldn't give a shit, I'm eating a Snickers.
Yo!
I didn't ask you to speak to me.
Brexit.
You're in a fucking German top, you cunt. Fucking hell. Get a fucking grip. And that moustache. You're a cunt. Have you not been here? You missed it all.
No, we've literally been stuck in the bed for 7 hours.
We were stuck in the middle of Antifa and these thought for 3 hours.
Where's the fucking beautiful cunts? Disgusting, mate. It's fucking British, mate. Disgusting, mate. Dirty cunts! Beautiful cunts!
I don't care.
Go to Palestine.
I just know where you came from. You need to go away. You need to go away. I'm not taking you.
Fucking weirdo. Oh, come now. Fucking weirdo. Go.
Look at her.
No. Stop. Someone move it, bitch. Someone move it, silly bitch.
Stand her back.
You support violence.
You're a silly bitch.
I'm not free. Increasing fucking government tax money. Tax money. I don't care what you think. You dickhead. Our veterans are on the fucking floor. Our veterans are on the fucking floor. Our veterans sleep on the floor. Why is our money going there? Why is our money going to
Palestine? How much money has gone? Zero money's gone to Palestine. You're so stupid. You're thick.
How much money's gone to Israel?
Google it on your phone.
You Google it.
You need
Tell
to
me
know.
how much money's gone to
Oh, you're the one asking the question.
Hold
So
on,
you
hold
do the
on.
question.
Because
You're the one asking
billions
the
have gone to
question.
Israel. Tell me how much has gone to Palestine. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Yeah, cricket. Exactly, cricket.
You just have to Google. You just have to Google. Just Google it. You just told us to Google. You just told us to Google. Is that what it's about?
Attacking people.
Yeah, but you're
Look how many you push me.
because you've attacked someone since 2014 to 2020. 4.5 billion in Gaza has come from us and the United States. There you go. There you go. Sonic cricket. Zero money. Cricket. Leave it. Leave it. She don't want to hear it.
My love, go on.
4.5 billion.
Where?
To Gaza. United States to Gaza.
Are you in the United States? You dumb fucking
and the United Kingdom.
You dumb fucking
And the United Kingdom.
When
And
have
the
we
United
sent money
Kingdom. From
to Pakistan?
2014 to 2020.
No, 6 years. Yeah.
I just
Talk
googled
about
it.
the last
I
2
just
years,
googled
you
it. I
dumb
can
bitch.
show you it.
Talk about 2 years. Now. Talk about now.
Now! Now! Fuck off!
She isn't using a sense card.
Crackers, that's how I keep my weight. That's how I keep my weight. That's how I keep my weight. Crackers, the crack don't go to you. Crack is good for news. Crack is good. Crack is good for news.
Go and fucking educate.
Bye.
What are they going to
Hey, just leave us. She's daft.
She's run straight to the police.
My friend, you're right, mate. How you doing? Oh, yeah.
Hey, mate. Yeah, you was on my thing the other now. I think you was on my thing the other day. You popped up or someone mentioned it.
What's standing there? I'm making my point. I'm making my point. I'm just saying.
You already have the 2 sentences away from what they are.
So don't talk then. I'm telling you. If I say how Hitler, I'm a bad person. Yeah? Why? Because it's racist.
Racist?
Is it not racist? No. Is it not racist to support the Nazi party? Okay, so it says not. Okay, so let me ask you something. Is the National Front racist? No. Huh? No, not National Flag. National Front. NF. Is that racist? Okay, so no, they're not. Yeah, they are. I'm saying they're racist. I don't know why you think National Front isn't racist. Hold on though. So let me ask you a question. Can I utilize the patriotism that's going on today? Can I utilize the patriotism that's going on today to whip up? Let me talk. To whip up support for the National Front. Can I do that? Is that all right?
This isn't National Front.
Is that okay? Is that okay? I never said you was the National Front. If I started shouting,
that's not the
because
National
people,
Front.
all right, so if you listen,
I am listening.
the whole argument is,
me, boy.
I'm not a boy.
Well, don't tell me I'm not listening then.
Right, cool.
I'm looking at you,
So what am I
I'm obviously
arguing?
listening to you,
What am I
yeah?
saying then?
Well, you make it just shine.
Yeah,
I'm
what am I saying
then?
then? What am I saying?
I'm asking you what you're putting.
What am I saying?
Shine holding.
Cool. So you interrupted.
You're
Make
saying,
it-
can
make
you
it-
use this
That's
to
what you're
promote the
doing.
National
Masculine
Front?
what?
That's what
Yeah?
you do.
Huh?
How did you convert to Islam?
Yeah, but you never let me finish.
Why did you convert
There's
to
a dude
Islam?
on here chanting for the National Front.
Why did you convert?
He was a couple of them.
Probably
But
2
there's-
million here that weren't.
We are not going
Hamas or Israel. I don't give a fuck.
What are you doing
I
here?
couldn't. It's not to do with Israel or
So you
Hamas.
just randomly came to
Why are you
Trafalgar
talking
Square.
to me about Hamas? You lot are more concerned about Israel and
Are you Muslim?
No, are you?
No. What's your point then?
You could
Who
be.
made the Muslim?
Why are you here then?
Why are you here?
Stand up for my country.
Your country is Israel.
Enough of the fuck.
Israel.
You like to do that.
So why you keep asking me about fucking Islam then?
Enough of the fuckery that's happening.
I'm not a
Because of
Muslim.
Islam. That's why. It's all because of Islam.
Fair enough. So it's not about the migrants, no?
No.
It's about Islam.
What religion
Is that about Islam or the migrants?
What are the
There's
migrants
actually
religion?
What's
there are
it?
males coming
Where are they
over
all
on
coming
boats.
Are they all?
There are males.
Are they all
coming-
Muslims?
Where's yes? Where's all
Are they all Muslims?
You tell one from the other.
How do you tell one from the other? What do you mean by
We
that?
have got international.
What do you mean by that?
As Margaret Thatcher said, we've got
They're all
international
Muslim.
chaos on our
They're all
hands.
Muslim.
We have got undocumented males coming over on dinghies. She would never have tolerated that. She would have put a stop to it. She would have done something
Who,
about
Margaret
it.
Thatcher?
Yes,
Is Margaret Thatcher the same?
Absolutely.
Is Margaret Thatcher the same one that spent New Year's Eve with Jimmy Savile, who was raping our kids with a key to fucking Great Ormond Street?
There were a lot of people
Oh,
called
yeah,
by
yeah,
Savile.
yeah, yeah.
There were a lot of people. You come here with an agenda, sir.
I've got no agenda, bro.
You seem
but
to.
You're pro-government. I'm anti because they're anti the
I'm
people.
not pro the government
But you're picking up
regarding
you're picking up Margaret Thatcher, who spent New Year's Eve.
She was the
with
last
Jimmy
Prime
Savile.
Minister we had.
Do you think
She
she
did
knew?
not know.
Did she know Jimmy Savile was a pedo?
I don't know. Go
Right,
and
I
ask
reckon
her.
she did.
Go
I
and
reckon
ask
she
her.
did. I reckon they all knew.
Was Muhammad?
Right?
Was
So
Muhammad?
I reckon,
Get
was
me.
Muhammad a pedo when he was with a
It's not my
6-year-old
religion.
girl?
It's not my religion. It's not my religion. I don't know. I have no clue. I have no clue.
This is the
Why are you
thing.
asking me about Islam? I'm not Muslim.
Do you condemn an organisation that murdered 2,000 Israelis in cold blood? In cold blood.
You know why? You know why? You know why? Because this.